Sometimes the problem isn't a broken part at all. It's a vehicle that's simply become confused by corrupted electronic data, temporary glitches, or modules that stopped communicating the way they should. Professional technicians know this happens more often than most drivers realize. Today, we're walking through a series of reset and recalibration procedures that mechanics commonly perform when diagnosing electrical issues. Some take only a few minutes, require almost no tools, and in certain situations can restore normal operation without replacing a single component. Let's begin. Number 1. The 5-minute rule. Here's the habit experienced technicians rarely skip. Turn everything off, close every door, walk away. Give the vehicle several uninterrupted minutes before attempting another restart. Modern cars don't power down instantly. Many modules remain awake for a short period before entering sleep mode. Allowing that process to finish creates the cleanest possible restart and often prevents chasing problems that only exist because systems never fully reset. Number 2. Don't ignore the basics before assuming the computer is at fault. Inspect the battery terminals. Loose connections, corrosion, or poor grounding can create symptoms that perfectly imitate expensive electronic failures. Many computer problems end up being nothing more than a bad connection hiding in plain sight. Number 3. Exercise. Multiple electrical circuits. Vehicles spend most of their lives powering the same handful of systems. Turning on different accessories while performing diagnostic checks allows technicians to verify that multiple electrical circuits are operating normally under load. It isn't about stressing the battery. It's about confirming the electrical network behaves consistently. Number 4. Relearn the steering system. Modern electric steering relies heavily on sensors. With the ignition on and the engine off, slowly rotate the steering wheel from one lock to the other, pausing briefly at each end. Certain vehicles use this movement to recalibrate steering angle information after battery disconnection. It's a small step that many professionals never forget. Number 5. Synchronize smart key systems. If your vehicle uses push-button start, occasional communication issues between the key and control module can happen. Following the manufacturer's recommended synchronization procedure after battery service can restore reliable recognition and reduce unnecessary electronic wake-ups. Small electronic mismatches can sometimes create surprisingly annoying symptoms. Number 6. Let the vehicle truly go to sleep. Here's the step many people skip. Instead of reconnecting everything immediately, give the vehicle time. Leaving the battery disconnected for a while allows many electronic systems to power down completely before restarting from a clean state. Patience here often matters more than people think. Number 7. Perform a complete power reset. Now, we're getting into one of the procedures technicians use most often. Disconnect the negative battery terminal safely. Once disconnected, press and hold the brake pedal for roughly 20 seconds. You're not activating the brakes. You're helping discharge stored electrical energy remaining inside various modules. After reconnecting the battery, many temporary electronic faults may disappear if they were caused by corrupted stored data. Number 8. Recalibrate the electronic throttle systems. Learn your driving habits over time. With the ignition on and the engine off, slowly press the accelerator fully to the floor. Hold it briefly, then release it smoothly. On some vehicles, this helps the control module relearn throttle position, creating smoother response after battery service or electrical interruptions. Number 9. Give the computer time to think. Most drivers rush from off to start immediately. Instead, pause with the ignition on for about 10 seconds. During that brief moment, the vehicle performs internal checks, verifies sensor communication, and prepares its control systems before the engine is running. Those extra seconds can sometimes make all the difference. Number 10. Wake up the electronics. Many modern vehicles have dozens of control modules that communicate constantly. Occasionally, one simply needs a clean restart. Insert the key and turn it to the iron position without starting the engine. Wait a few seconds before switching it back off. Repeat this several times and start the vehicle normally. It's a surprisingly simple way to allow multiple systems to initialize correctly before the engine comes to life. If you found these techniques useful, let us know in the comments whether you've ever solved an electrical issue without replacing a single part. And if this video helped you better understand how modern vehicles behave. So, subscribe for more practical automotive tips, diagnostic tricks, and behind-the-scenes knowledge that every car owner should know.